Hello everyone, welcome to IT Core channel for mastering technology. Today I'm gonna show you how to record your PC screen or take screenshot entirely for free without using any specialized software, by using only a software that is available on your PC as a part of Windows 10. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button so you can receive our new videos. Go to your Windows search bar and write down Xbox Game Bar. Click on this app. As you can see, this app is a part of your Windows 10 that you can use it to take a screenshot or record a video of your PC screen. Under capturing window, you can click on this icon to take screenshot, record last 30 seconds, start recording, or turn on or turn off microphone if you want to record your voice. Under audio window, you can select a speaker to record voice if you have many speakers plugged on your PC, or you can set the sounds level. If you want to change preferences or settings, go through setting icon on the top right. Under shortcut tab, you can see shortcut used to open the app, start or stop recording. You can write down your own shortcut if you want to change. Under capturing tab, you can have many other settings. For example, if you want to select the type of audio to record by selecting only game audio, or select all including microphone and system audio. For more preferences or settings, under General tab, click on this link, Edit More Preferences. It will open Windows Preferences settings. Under Capturing tab, you can have more settings. The most important is the audio quality. You can select 128 as recommended, or select more advanced if you want. One more setting is the video frame rates. You can select either 30 frame rates per second or 60 frame rates per second. If you are recording game, I recommend you to select 60 frame rates per second. But if you are recording only tutorial or a system window, you can just select 30 frame rates per second. It's enough. Close the setting window and get back to the app. Here, you can find all your recorded videos. Click on this icon. You can open them in File Explorer. Okay, let's start recording a video by clicking icon on the top left capturing window. Then you can see the record timer. To record useful video, I'm gonna introduce two websites where you can download thousands of photos and videos for free. You can use them to create your videos, upload them on YouTube or any social media without any copyright issue. The first one is pixel.com. On this website, you can search about whatever you want. I'm gonna search about children playing football. As a result, more than 100 kilo photos and 30 kilo videos are available. Find what you like, click on it to preview. If you like it, click on a free download icon to select your preferred quality or video size. Then download directly. Now you can use this video, upload it on YouTube without any copyright issue. The second website is pixabay.com. You can also find millions of photos and videos to use. Just write down on search box and select whatever you want, including images, videos, music, or sound effects. Now to finish recording, click on Stop Recording button. Here we can find all our recorded videos. Here is our video. We can have a look. If you want to open it in File Explorer, just click on this icon. Now you can copy, upload this video and use it wherever you want. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me see you next time. Thank you for your watching.